Hello friends, Dr. Deepika here again. Today I will discuss the most important question which everyone wants in their life but just don't know how to get it, okay? And that is, what is happiness? Okay, so today I'm gonna tell you a very one small trick that how to get happiness. So, before going to that question, okay, so today you are just going to feel wonderful because monks, people become monks, people go to Himalayas, and people stay in monasteries just to search for this question, that what is happiness, okay? Trust me, if you will ask someone who is very rich that what is success, there is only one thing will come out from his mouth. These words will be that if you are happy, it means you are successful. But I mean to say that if you are successful, then you are happy, and if you are happy, then only you will be successful. So happiness is very important thing. Okay, so before coming to that trick, I just want to share with you about something about our brain. Okay, so in spiritual sense, in neurological sense, brain has lots of parts. It has cerebellum, it has cerebrum, it has hypothalamus, it has brain stem, etc. But I will not go into that thing. Okay, so I will go into spiritual brain. In spiritual sense, our brain has two parts. One is subconscious brain and another is conscious. And you will be surprised to know that we only use our 10% of brain is conscious and 90% of our brain is subconscious. It means that it is not under control, but it is controlling us. Our subconscious is controlling us. And you will be surprised to know that by the age of 7, research shows, it's not just vague things I am saying, research shows that by the age of 7, our subconscious is almost ready. uh, Now, you will be. I just want to give you small insight that by the age of 7, our subconscious is ready. Okay, at that time we have no idea about the world in true sense. Okay, so from where we develop that subconscious? We develop that subconscious from our environment, from our parents, by looking at elders, by looking at the society. Okay, so from there we get our subconscious mind, that what to do, what is not right, what is good for me, what is good for health, what to eat. That all programming was complete by the age of 7. And trust me, that what are we are doing as an adult in front of our child, it will affect him lifelong. So please stay happy in front of them. Don't fight, don't shout. Okay, but I will tell you the trick how to stay happy. And I was telling that only 10% of our brain is conscious, and that 10% is the brain through which we reach the moon. I mean to say that we are only using the 10% of brain. Okay, so but all the emotions like pain, like past memories, unhappiness exist in our subconscious, because consciously no one wants to get sad, no one wants to get angry, no one wants to have poisonous feelings against someone. Okay, so I will give you a small trick in which by which you will feel happy in a no time. You just have to do one thing: practice it. Okay, and you will be a winner. Now I'm going to tell you, just imagine a small leaf, okay, in the wind, and it is flowing, it is turns with the wind. A small autumn leaf, yellow color leaf, small leaf. Close your eyes, just try to imagine that leaf. Try to imagine that leaf. I think so that your pain, emotions are just gone. So these are the small things. If for me, if it's a leaf, for you it can be a rose flower, your someone's uh, baby face, anything can be. Just try to find your leaf, okay, and you can be happy. And another trick is, even if you are not feeling happy, just say, I am happy, I am happy, I am happy. So just say it for saying it, and just sit properly, close your eyes, and try to feel happy. Just imagine. I want to tell you that our brain cannot decipher what is imaginary and what is real. Trust me, it's research proven. Our brain can't distinguish what is imaginary and what is real. So just make your imaginations wild and feel happy. Just see the roses garden, just see the mountains, see the ocean running. You are on the beach side and sun is shining on your face, and you are just bathing in the sun, and just feel that waves, feel their energy, feel their sound, and trust me, you will be happy, and you will be very happy, very calm, and just rewire your brain in this way. Just rewire. And even if you have some bad memories with someone you love very much, just, this is also a small trick, and trust me, the things which I have told you before that is what I learned from scholars, from big monks, okay? But the thing which I'm going to tell you now, I didn't learn it from anyone, it's my own, okay? So what you can do, if you have some very past bad experiences with some person and you want to forgive him, so just, you truly want to forgive him, and trust me, if you will forgive him, that poison will go away from inside you. You will be more free than that person. Just replace that memories with positive. Like I will tell you that, no doubt, maybe you can say that this lady has gone mad, but trust me, you will feel happy. I'm not saying, if you really want to forgive someone, like if it is your husband, if it is your mother, then why holding grudges against them will lead you nowhere. So suppose if your mother has slapped you in the when you were a kid, and you just remember it so hardly, just replaced it that she just pat you on your face, and after that she kissed you, even if it is a very bad beating and you hate your mother for that, just replace it with this thing. If you have some very bad fight with your husband and he said something very bad to you, just replace it with something incredible, and that is up to you, that what is your imagination and what you want. Okay, so these are the three tricks. First is imagine something incredible, okay, something very positive, very powerful. Okay, imagine the nature. This is the most easy way to feel happy. Okay, and another trick is replace your bad memories with positive ones, and your mind will believe it in no time. And just in your in the background plays this music: I am happy, I am beautiful, I am so good, and I am like these things, okay? I can do anything, I'm so positive, everything in my life lead to positivity. Just say these things again and again, and trust me, if you will search on internet about the positive affirmations, you will get lots of video, and after watching this video, just put earplugs and listen to that. Your life will be changed in no time, and if you are happy, people around will be happier, and you will be again more happier, and this cycle will go on. Thank you very much. Do share, do tell me if you really get any benefit. Thanks, bye.